Tesla Magic Dock Supercharger installations increasing at a rapid rate. Tesla Magic Dock Supercharger installations are rapidly ramping up in the United States, based on data from a community-run, open-source website. The Magic Dock Supercharger ramp enables more non-Tesla vehicles to use Tesla supercharger stations across the United States. According to Supercharger Info data, Tesla has been steadily increasing Magic Dock Supercharger installations over the last few days in September. The data reveals that Tesla installed 25 Magic Dock Superchargers this month, up from August with 15 installations. Last month, Tesla installed Magic Dock Superchargers in Texas, Canada, and Alaska. Over the last few days, from September 25 to 26, Tesla installed Magic Dock Superchargers in Montrose, Colorado, Moses Lake, WA, Vicksburg, MS, Craig, Colorado, Kremling, Park Avenue, Colorado, and Washington, in. Earlier this year, speculation started that Tesla was beginning to build and install Magic Dock Supercharger posts across the United States. Teslaupdate confirmed that Tesla was installing Magic Dock Superchargers in New York and California. Towards the second quarter, Magic Dock Supercharger installations seemed to slow down or even halt. At the time, legacy automakers like Ford and General Motors and EV startups like Rivian announced that they would adopt Tesla's North American charging standard NACS. The adoption of Tesla NACS may solidify the charging standard in North America, leaving the Magic Dock Supercharger project in a weird place. After all, if legacy automakers and EV startups started embracing Tesla NACS, would there really be a need for the Magic Dock Supercharger? Tesla appears to have decided otherwise. It would take some time for Tesla NACS to become a proper charging standard in North America and for other automakers to integrate the technology into their car designs. So, in the meantime, Magic Dock Superchargers are available for non-Tesla EVs. Source: reposted and summarized from Maria Morano at teslaupdate.